The reason why I chose ACI was, again, as a single mother looking to break into a competitive field like cybersecurity, I knew I needed a program that was flexible, supportive, and truly aligned with my lifestyle. Again, with so many options out there in the market, I often felt that traditional programs were out of reach for me, whether due to rigid schedules, overwhelming coursework, or lack of real-world connections. I chose ACI Learning Tech Academy because it offered exactly what I needed: structure yet flexible evening classes that fit into my busy schedule, hands-on learning that kept me engaged, and a supportive environment where I didn't feel alone in my journey. The resources available, like industry experienced instructors, practical labs, and career coaching, gave me the confidence and tools to advance in cybersecurity. What really set ACI apart for me was the sense of community. I connected with classmates who had similar goals and challenges that made all the difference. We were able to support each other, share our experiences, and grow together. Again, having access to a career coach also gave me a clear path forward, helping me navigate my options and prepare for success in the industry. Choosing ACI wasn't about getting an education, it was about gaining a real opportunity to transform my future. Again, I'm so glad I took that step, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a practical and supportive way to break into tech. So I completed the Computer User Support Program with an emphasis in cybersecurity at ACI. It has been an incredible journey. One of the biggest opportunities that made this possible for me was being awarded the ACI Impact Scholarship, which allowed me to complete the program without worrying about the financial barriers I was facing. And through this scholarship, I was able to access high-quality training, vouchers for my certifications, and all the necessary resources to succeed. The training experience at ACI Learning was amazing. It wasn't about just learning from textbooks. The classes were engaging and hands-on, which really helped me grasp the technical skills I needed for a career in tech. The instructors were supportive and knowledgeable, breaking down cybersecurity and networking concepts in a way that made sense, even for someone coming in from a non-technical IT background. One of the things I appreciated most was the community and support system. Being surrounded by classmates who were also working towards similar goals made the learning experience even more valuable. Plus, having access to a career coach gave me direction and confidence in pursuing job opportunities after completing my certifications. Again, thanks to ACI Learning, I was able to earn my certifications and gain the skills I needed to enter the cybersecurity field. This program has truly been a game changer and has left a huge impact on my life, and I would highly recommend it to anyone for a practical and supportive way to start a career in tech. After completing my training at ACI Learning Tech Academy, I was able to transition into an exciting role as a data analyst with the City and County of Denver, working with their Department of Transportation and Infrastructure. Right now, I'm working on a federal grant project focused on implementing smart city technologies, which is an incredible opportunity to apply both my analytical and technical skills in a real-world setting. Life after training has been a game changer. The skills I gained at ACI Learning, especially in problem solving, troubleshooting, and cybersecurity awareness, have directly helped me in my current role. The training gave me the confidence to step into the tech industry, and now I get to work with projects that impact my community and improve urban infrastructure. What's great about this career path is that I have endless opportunities for growth thanks to the strong foundation I built at ACI Learning, and I feel I now have the tools to keep pushing forward. Looking back, choosing ACI Learning was one of the best decisions I ever made. It gave me the skills, the connections, and the confidence to break into tech and build a better future for my family and my community as well. If I could say one thing to the staff at ACI, it would be thank you. But sometimes I think even thank you wouldn't be enough. Not just for the training, but for the unwavering support, encouragement, and belief in students like me. As a single mother trying to break into the competitive field of cybersecurity and IT, I often felt like traditional educational paths weren't built for someone in my position. But ACI changed that by providing a flexible, accessible, and empowering learning experience for me. I especially want to shout out to my counselor who gave me the opportunity to be a part of this program, giving me the opportunity to apply for the scholarship program. And again, without that chance, looking back, I wouldn't have had the access to the training, resources, and career support that helped me earn my certifications to help me secure a role with the City and County of Denver. Again, his guidance and encouragement made all the difference in helping me believe in myself and taking the step toward a brighter future. The instructors, career coaches, and the entire ACI team truly care about students' successes. They don't just teach, they really do invest in people's futures, and that is something I will always be grateful for. Thank you for changing lives, including mine. My name is Frinza, and I'm an ACI Learning graduate.